Can you be financially footloose and fancy-free with KOHO? Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of challenger banks, those hip, app-based financial institutions promising a revolution in how we manage our money. One such challenger making waves is KOHO. It boasts a sleek interface, fee-free spending, and instant rewards. But what if you're an old-school soul who still needs to transfer money out for bills or emergencies? Can KOHO keep up with your financial needs, or will you find yourself stuck on an island of convenience? That's the question we're tackling today. Can you transfer money out of KOHO? Buckle up, because we're about to explore all the nitty-gritty details. KOHO's transfer territory, exploring your options. KOHO offers a few ways to move your money out, depending on where it's headed. Let's break it down. KOHO to KOHO, K2K. This is the simplest scenario. If you're sending money to another KOHO user, it's a free and instant transfer. Perfect for splitting bills with roommates or sending a quick gift. Just tap, and voila, money's on the move. KOHO to other banks via e-transfer. Need to send money to a friend with a different bank? KOHO's got you covered with Interac e-transfer. It's a secure and convenient way to send money electronically within Canada. While not free like K2K transfers, the fees are pretty reasonable. Just remember, the funds won't arrive instantly. It might take a business day or two for your recipient to see the cash. KOHO to international accounts. This one's a bit trickier. KOHO itself doesn't currently offer direct international transfers. But fear not, there are workarounds. You can use a third-party money transfer service like Wise, formerly TransferWise. Just be sure to factor in any fees associated with the service. Beyond transfers, other ways to move your money. KOHO might not be a one-stop shop for all your money movement needs, but it does offer some additional options. Bill pay. KOHO lets you schedule and pay bills directly through the app. Ditch the paper checks and save yourself a trip to the mailbox. Pre-authorized debits. Got recurring subscriptions or payments? Set up pre-authorized debits to ensure your bills are paid on time and automatically. The verdict: KOHO, a convenient companion, not a financial fortress. So, can you transfer money out of KOHO? Absolutely. But it's important to understand your options and any potential fees involved. KOHO excels at everyday transactions and keeping your money organized. However, for complex financial maneuvers or international transfers, you might need to link an external account or explore third-party services. Ultimately, KOHO is a great companion for managing your day-to-day finances. But if you need ultimate flexibility in moving large sums or making frequent international transfers, you might want to consider it as part of a larger financial toolkit, alongside a traditional bank account. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.